One thing I can't
For
wrap
caramel
my
corn, you know, they didn't have any idea.
I mean, just in broad daylight, this time of year, I can't wrap my brain around how people think that's okay.
I know.
Anyways.
It's not the holiday spirit.
Right?
Not at all.
So we've been talking so much about snow lately,
Yes.
but we've still got some rain here to get through.
We still have a lot of rain. Yes, we've broken records here at PDX, and we're just going to be dealing with rain as we go through today. There is some dryness in sight, though. We just have to get through the next about, 24 hours or so. The satellite radar has been really active for today, though. We have some cooler air that's just rushing off the Pacific, and that's what's going to help fuel some of these showers as we go into this evening. We even had a few thunderstorms off the coast today. Snow all the way through the Cascades, picking up anywhere from 10 to 15 inches for some locations, and even some of the lower locations, maybe around 5 to 8 inches. So a good amount of snow. You probably need your snowshoes out there or those cross-country skis because there's a lot of it. We had the rain here, though, through downtown and along the coast. Once again, we had some pretty decent numbers to show you. Look at this. This is December rain so far, nearly 20 inches in Astoria. Portland just shy of 15 inches, over 15 inches in Vancouver. Salem about 14 and a half. This is the wettest month on record in Portland for December ever. So we've seen a lot of rain, it's safe to say. 46 right now in Astoria, 46 in Newport, 40s all along the I-5 corridor. Hood River at 39, the Dalles at 42. So I-84 right now above that freezing mark, which is making things better for traveling if you're going that direction. But I'm telling you, 26 in some of the other locations up at the higher Cascades, that's where things are a little bit messy. 5 p.m. at 41, we'll be in the lower 40s for most of our evening. Not going to fluctuate with the temperatures all that much as we do go through the rest of today. So if you have plans, probably just going to need the rain gear, and if you're heading up towards the mountain, make sure you do get the chains on the tires. Active weather still as we go through the overnight, but there is some settled weather in the forecast as we move forward, and that's going to be pretty close to as we get towards right around Christmas time. Low snow levels, though, so some of the West Hills maybe even starting to see some wet snow starting to fall down in a few flakes as we get through the overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. But like I said, we have some dry time just about to move on in as we get into Friday. We have the onshore flow going on right now. It's going to continue to drive those showers as we go through the evening. If we look off to the northwest, though, things are starting to change a little bit, and that's what's going to bring in some sunshine as we get into our Friday. Now, winter storm warning still in effect through tonight into tomorrow morning, so ongoing snow will be possible. We could pick up a few more inches along the Cascades, and like I said, those snow levels are going to go down with a rush of cooler air, and with that, we could see some snowfall at those lower levels. All right. So here's the rain so nice forecast. A little after 4 o'clock, we'll notice that things are just going to be very scattered and isolated. So pretty much what we've been seeing for most of the day today. If you're looking for just consistent moisture or just a massive moisture, that's going to be through the Cascades as the snow continues to fall on down. This goes through the overnight hours into your morning commute tomorrow morning. It looks like it might be a little dry through Portland, but then by the time we reach right around 8 a.m., that second wave moves on in. As you can tell, the West Hills, they're picking up on some good snowfall. So this is all going to very slowly shift off to the south, leaving in some drier air by the time we get into our Friday. All right, coastal forecast will be right around 46 to 44 degrees and seaside showers likely. I-5, 41, 42 for McMinnville, Salem, 42 tomorrow, 38, 31 for LeGrand, Baker City, cool. Light snow will be possible there. We go through the gorge and everything. And the snow continues, like I said, maybe 2 to 4 more inches as we go through our Thursday afternoon. Friday at 41, we start to dry on up. By the time we reach into Christmas, that will be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, lower 40s and some more sunshine. So I'm just looking forward to see some sun.
Yeah,
you know,
and then it looks like
forever.
potentially rain throughout the rest of December, which would be...
That's what you were hoping yesterday.
No, I know, but I'm looking at the forecast right now, and it's still showing the rain.
It looks like it's going to be a little scattered, though. So the heavy rainfall that we've been getting, it might be behind us. So we'll have to watch that.
All right.
Looking forward to this.
Well, let's hope for some sun, too.
We deserve some dry time.
That's right.
Thanks, Joe.